Little storyteller.
Lily and Leo, the time twins, with their bright blue and green clothes, stood in a sunny meadow. Tall leafy ferns tickled their noses. A giant green T-Rex stomped softly nearby. His name was Rexy, and even though he was big, his eyes were kind. A fluffy white bunny hopped near Rexy's large feet. Lily clapped her hands. "Let's play follow the leaders," she giggled. Leo nodded, his red hair bouncing. Rexy tilted his big head. Lily showed him how to march in a circle, lifting her knees high. Rexy tried, but his legs were too short for big steps. He wiggled his tiny arms instead. A long-necked brontosaurus, with purple spots copied Rexy's arm wiggles. A speedy little compsognathus, with yellow feathers did too, hopping excitedly. Leo took a turn. He tiptoed slowly. Rexy watched carefully. Then, very gently, Rexy lifted one giant foot and placed it down softly. He swayed his head from side to side. It looked like a slow, gentle dance. The brontosaurus tried to sway her long neck gracefully, and the little compsognathus wobbled as it tiptoed. Lily and Leo copied Rexy's gentle movements too. They called it the Dinosaur Ballet. All the dinosaurs, big and small, joined in Rexy's slow, gentle dance. The sunny meadow filled with happy dinosaurs, swaying and wiggling. Even the fluffy bunny twitched its nose to the rhythm. When the dinosaur ballet was over, Rexy gave a soft rumble, which meant he was happy. Lily hugged Rexy's leg. That was the best follow the leader ever. Leo smiled. Even big dinosaurs can be gentle. The twins learned that even though someone looks big or different, they can still be kind and enjoy gentle games. And Rexy learned that even small movements can be fun for everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.